What's up, guys? 2017-18 Encased basketball half case random number 1. Going live, timestamp 131. Already have the teams and the names in. We randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. Gonna do the teams first. 4 more, it's a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Grizzlies on top. The Bulls on the bottom. RVWPDG is the code. Let's do the names. Again, 4 more. It's a 9. Same thing. What do you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final, number 9. Adam Atkins on top. Dave Jenkins on the bottom. QWGZTG is the code for the names. Again, wherever you line up, that's who you got, guys. Why the fudge does it make it small? There you go. Because this stuff was too big, I don't know. Alright, anyway, that's who you got. Thanks, guys, and good luck. We are done. 133.